Okay, this is the French vocab for lesson 1. So you may want to have the Smart open at the same time, as that's where I'm reading the vocab from. So on slide 1 you have the phrase on va à Paris, mais comment? So that means on va just means one goes, à Paris to Paris, mais but, comment how? So on va à Paris, mais comment? I'm probably saying that a bit fast. On va à Paris, mais comment? Okay, so looking at slide 2 now, we have the different modes of transport. So we have on va à Paris en bateau, bateau, that's boat. On va à Paris en ferry, ferry. On va à Paris en voiture, voiture. So if you have OI in French, it makes a wa sound, so that's why it's voiture. On va à Paris à pied, so à pied. So I shouldn't be saying that D, because we don't say the last letter in French words unless there's an E on the end, and there isn't an E on the end, so it's à pied. So it's just there to sort of give an idea of how the word should be spoken, rather it's not actually said. Then we have on va en train, so that's train. En vélo, a bike. En bus, en avion, avion. So that is all the vocab for the second slide. Then on the third slide, we have lots of adjectives for them to sort into positive and negative. Positive and negative. So we have cher, which is expensive. Dangereux, dangerous. Modern. Ennuyeux, boring. Confortable, comfortable. Sûr, safe. Pratique, practical. And rapide, fast. But all of the words on this slide have a pronunciation guide underneath them, so hopefully that should help you. On the next slide, so we're on slide 4 now, we have a sort of language scaffold for the children to use to form a longer sentence. So we start at the top of the flow chart and we say on va à Paris, then we choose one of the modes of transport, en voiture for example, then we say because, parce que, and then it is or it isn't, c'est or ce n'est pas, c'est, and I'll just pick an adjective, dangereux. That probably didn't make much sense. I think I just said that you go by car because it's dangerous, but anyway, you can choose one that does make sense. And the last slide is just a listening slide, so that should be fairly self-explanatory. Okay, come find me if there's anything that you found tricky to say or read.